So today we're going to be subtracting mixed numbers. So it's very similar to adding mixed numbers. So let's start off with some mixed numbers that have like denominators. So 4 and 7/8 minus 3 and 1/8. Okay, we're going to do the fractions first. And so since these denominators are the same, I can just do 7/8 minus 1/8, and I get 6/8. And I do 4 minus 3, which is 1. And then I look and I see, well, 6/8 is not simplified because both 6 and 8 are even. So I would reduce it. I'm going to divide both those by 2. And so my answer becomes 1 3/4. Okay. Now, let's say I have this problem. 9 and 7/15 minus 6 and 1/5. So now I do not have common denominators. I have to find a denominator that will work for both numbers. And so I'm just going to do the trick I learned in class. And I'm first going to look and see if the bigger denominator will work. And so the bigger denominator is 15. In this case, 15 will work. So right off to the side, I'm just going to go ahead and set my denominator equal to 15. So pretty much the same thing we did when we were adding mixed numbers. 7/15 stays 7/15. 1/5. Well, I take 5 times 3 to get to 15, so I have to do 1 times 3, and I get 3/15. So now when I subtract this, I subtract the fractions first. So 7/15 minus 3/15 is 4/15, and then 9 minus 6 is 3. In this case, I can't simplify 4/15 at all because there isn't a common factor that goes into both of those numbers. I'm going to do one more, just so you can get the hang of it. Let's say I have 12 3/4 minus 6 2/6. Okay, so I'm going to look at my bigger denominator. In this case, it's 6. Well, 4 can't really go into 6, so that's not going to work. So I'm going to do my other trick where I just multiply the denominators. So in this case, 6 times 4 is 24. I'm going to set them both equal to 24. So 4 times 6 is 24, 3 times 6 is 18, 6 times 4 is 24, 2 times 4 is 8, and so now I'm ready to subtract. So 18/24 minus 8/24 is 10/24. 12 minus 6 is 6. This fraction I can simplify because they're both even, so I'm going to divide them both by 2. And my new fraction becomes 5/12, but I cannot forget to put that whole number there because my answer is the mixed number. It's 6 and 5/12. Whoops, so you can see it if I move it over a little bit. So that is how you subtract mixed numbers. So now it's time for you to go ahead and do the worksheet that I passed out in class. And good luck. If you need to watch the video over again, feel free to watch it over. Otherwise, yeah, happy subtracting.